To choose text designs in Canva, start by opening Canva and creating a new design or opening an existing project. On the left sidebar, click on the Text tab. Here you'll see different text options like headings, subheadings, and body text. Scroll down to find text designs or font combinations. These are pre-designed text styles that are ready to use. Browse through the designs and click on any style you like to add it directly to your canvas. Once the text design is added, you can customize it by changing the font, size, color, spacing, or effects using the top toolbar. You can also edit the words by double-clicking the text and typing your own content. To try different looks, simply click on another text design and Canva will instantly apply it to your text. When you're happy with the design, adjust its position and alignment to fit your layout. And that's how you easily choose and customize text designs in Canva.